island of Tasmania, Australia's southernmost state. Known for its clean, green image, its fresh, clean air, its pure, sparkling waters. Join us on this brief excursion through the pristine waters of the far south Tasmanian coast. The perfect environment in which premium-sized abalone flourish. The diver, armed with his knife and collection bag, swims through the clear waters to the harvest sites. To ensure sustainability of the industry, only premium-sized abalone are collected. Back on the main ship, the abalone are stored in holding tanks to ensure their quality and freshness. Coastal Waters Seafoods, one of the largest licensed Tasmanian abalone and lobster operators, enabling us to offer to the restaurants, hotels, clubs, and to the great chefs of the world a unique service. Superior quality abalone, fresh product, and reliable delivery, enabled by dealing directly with the producers. The freshly harvested abalone goes directly from ship to the Coastal Waters processing plant. A plant licensed to the highest possible standards, including full accreditation for export to the EU. Here, the abalone is first held in carefully monitored holding tanks for a short period, with only the best quality selected for shipment. Finally, the packaging system ensures there is minimal stress for the product during transportation. From harvesting to arrival at its destination, there are 3 simple steps: harvesting, packaging, and shipment, ensuring freshness and quality are maintained. Reliable supply and delivery of wild Tasmanian abalone, direct from the producer, arriving live and fresh for you to transform into the delicacies that so delight your customers. One such customer is the celebrity Spanish chef Miguel Maestre, now living in Australia.
Let's get this beautiful abalone from the heart of Tasmanian waters, so cold, and just with a little bit of garlic, make it taste just beautiful. Look at how still it moves. It's so nice and fresh. This is gonna be delicious. This fella is been on ice around 10 minutes, so he actually don't suffer when we're gonna clean him. And all we have to do, with the help of a spoon, we're just gonna scoop him out of his shell. You just twist, oh, but it's like a big mussel. Make sure you discard this part with a really sharp knife, and make sure we cut the leftover, the joint of the mussel. Now, this part is the beautiful flesh of the abalone. With the shell, just a little tip, just clean up all the leftover mussel, polish it really, really energetically, put it through the dishwasher, and you got the most amazing presenting dish ever. The abalone has got a little mouth here that we had to discard with a very sharp knife. In the restaurant, we will process it through a slicing machine. At home, obviously you don't have a slicing machine, so a very sharp knife will do the trick as well. His flavor is amazing. Imagine the best scallop you ever eat in your life with the texture of a calamari. Abalone is only being used at the moment in Chinese cuisine, but it is an amazing piece of seafood with a lot of properties and flavors. Look at how tender is the abalone now. The flesh is nice and relaxed. It's beautiful, it's light. Some chefs need to open their minds and, you know, start to use such an amazing ingredients as abalone in the menus. With a tiny little bit of olive oil. And a little bit of raw garlic and a pinch of saffron, you got one of the most amazing classicals of the Spanish gastronomy, garlic prawns. You're doing exactly the same with abalone. Searing it for around 1 minute. We don't want to overcook the garlic. We want to keep that beautiful freshness. A splash of fresh lemon, so the citrus will cut beautifully. And to finish, the touch of green, lots of parsley. And from here to the table with a really cold beer, the most typical Spanish recipe. There you are. So all I had to say, something so amazing like abalone, I can use in any sort of cuisine, and it's an amazing product. So everybody go for it.